will blow off your mind. After this step, you won't believe, you won't, bro. Up to now I don't understand, because this is, bro, this is very revolutionary. So let's go to video AI. You can see the link in the description, or just go to the to where it's and it's absolutely free. So if you don't have an account, just create one, and it's free. So yeah, after coming to video AI, just copy the script I'll be leaving in the description. Sorry if I'm going too fast, it's just that I don't want this video, I want to go straight forward. So if you have any doubt, just ask me. Video AI prompt, let's see, creator. Yeah, so this is the prompt that we will be using. Yeah, just copy this script and put on the video AI. So you see these brackets, this is where we are gonna replace with our own metrics. But if you don't want to do this, there is also a method that you can do it without moving a fingers. Just wait, we're gonna do this method later on. You can do the second if you don't want to like be feeling these things. Yeah, so create a length. I recommend you to go for 3 minutes, 5 minutes if you are a starter, because it is, if you're going to want to grow fast, because the audience, they don't want to stay too much time in the video. That's why I'm rushing. Yeah, 5 minutes. But don't skip this video, don't go out of this video, because you want to learn this, you want to see this, bro. Create a 5 minutes, yeah, where in the brackets, in the length, put 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 10 minutes, whichever minutes you want. And here you put the platform, that's YouTube, right? Or whichever platform you want. Create 5 minutes YouTube video about this is where we are going to get our script from ChatGPT. The one we chose is this one, like yeah, we're just gonna copy the title. I mean, we're gonna create the content about visually stunning video highlighting the evolution of e-commerce over the years. Yeah, this is enough for us. So we are going to just copy in the topic, about the topic, about, right, the visual, and paste. Yeah, create the 5 minutes YouTube video about visually stunning video highlighting the evolution of e-commerce over the years. Okay, that's great. The video should include, this is the specific creation, like there's examples here. You can be storytelling points, you can be historical, whichever you want. So I'll be putting storytelling. So after putting storytelling, I'll be going to the next step, next bracket. The overall mood of the video should be, this is the mood, this is where you're gonna put, if the video will be funny, will be sad, whichever you want to put, right? I'll put educational because it's very educational, right? Our video is about the e-commerce and some stuff. So the aim of the video is educate people on different landmarks. That's right. So after that, we're going to the voice. The voiceover should be choose male or female, whichever you want. This dog, sorry for the dog, man. Yeah, it's been molested ever since. So it should be a male. We can put British accent or American accent, whichever you want, or Nigerian. British accent with a dynamic, fast or slow, whichever which one you want. You can put, like, the voice can be slower, faster, or dynamic. That's on your opinion. I will put dynamic because it's more like yeah, it will join things together. Dynamic pacing, and use, we want to simple, sophisticated, or casual words. I would put like sophisticated. These are the examples I just put, right? You can also search for different styles of words that you want to add. And here, add a lot of stock footage. I recommend you to put a lot of stock footage because you don't want your audience to just look at the sound and not see. Like, the more image the better. So put a lot of stock image. Damn, this dog, man. A lot of stock footage. And now add uh, the type of music you want. On the background it will add sound. If you saw this, bro, this is so great, bro. Believe me, I'll put like a mysterious music, right? Mysterious music. Add mysterious music. Yeah, that's it, guys. You will be mind blown with what will happen right now. Look at this. This thing is very bro. You won't believe right now, bro. I will just create thousands of videos with this. You won't understand. It's actually analyzing. So we'll be waiting a little. So if you want to have various YouTube channels, I recommend you to start opening your YouTube channel right now, bro. If you're afraid to show your face, if you don't want to show your face, if you want to do topics that you are not able, like travel, like, this is the best way you can do. There is no way you won't succeed at this, bro. If you are committed, if you go forward every day, bro, this is it. Okay, after refreshing, it will show like these informations, like just to assure that you are sure of what you want. So it will ask, are you commerce statics? We can also put business students, like look at field professional. You want it to be professional platform, YouTube, and continue. And after that it will be the last processing after our video. So it will be generated and we have our video done, as I told you, in a click of a button. So while it is charging, just click this button of subscribe, because you will for sure see me again, bro. I'm Sam, my name is Amoka, and I will be here teaching you all the methods of making money right now, bro. Online, bro. You don't need to suffer, you don't need to look around, you don't need to rush. It's step by step, it's every day. And we are grinding every day, bro. We are searching, we are looking, we are studying. Right now I'm just studying, bro. I have nothing more to do. I will make this in life, bro, and I'm sure that you will as well. That's why I'm doing this video, because I want us to be successful. So let's just charge it right now. Okay, guys, it has just finished our video of 5 minutes. Let's play how it does.
Have you ever wondered how the concept of
like it's currently lagging,
goods
but
over
when
the
I download
internet came
it won't
about?
lag a lot at all.
In the late 70s, a spark of innovation ignited the genesis of e-commerce. Pioneering minds dared to envision a world where
Just
business
look at
transactions
that.
could be made
How is technology
electronically,
advancing like
transcending.
this, bro? You can also put at the end, like add the scene at the instead of the start, put at the end, and so on, man, so on. So this is crazy. So the next thing you are gonna do after editing your video is to extract your video. So it's to download, right? If you have the paid version, just click right here where it says no watermarks. If you don't have those letters on the video, but as I don't have, I just brought it to show you guys that it's possible to create your channel, well, faceless channel. So just go here and yeah, no stock, because I just want to download. Yeah, continue, and it will export my video. It will export just exportation. Then after exporting and processing, after 100%, you're just gonna click download, and your video is ready, bro. I hope this video doesn't have like more than 8 minutes, because you guys, I want the the 90% of this video, 90% of the people watching this, I want 90% of the people watching this to be able to finish all the video, because if you start your Faceless channel and post every day videos every day, there's no way, bro, there's no way your videos can grow. There's no way your channel can grow, bro, there's no way, there's just no way. So I'm so glad, bro.
EDI allowed companies to exchange business documents in a standard electronic format, while EFT moved money between bank accounts without the need for paper money. These were the building blocks, the foundation stones that would support the towering edifice of today's e-commerce industry.
That's great.
These technologies, revolutionary for their time, began to sow the seeds of a new era. An era where convenience...
Yeah, guys, this is something that blew my mind, bro. You can't go like half on this. You can't go half on this. You must go like with everything you got, bro. Like, this thing just recreated every scene. I didn't like give the exact instruction, but it's just recreated the thing, you know, bro. You don't know, bro. You don't know. This thing is another level.